Okay, so here's your introduction to PowerSchool and Canvas as a parent. If you look at here, here's a bit.ly link where you can access this presentation later on. And then here is my email address if you would have any questions after this presentation. So the two websites that you need to know as a parent are the PowerSchool website. This is where you can check your students' grades. You can directly email their teachers from here. You can see if they have any missing assignments. And then on the right-hand side here, this is our web address for Canvas. This is where all the students will be completing their e-learning. And these are the two websites that you would access if you were on a desktop or a laptop. Now, if you want to access these two programs through your phone, you can download their apps from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. The PowerSchool emblem right here is the one you will want to download. Now, Canvas has several different apps that you can download. For a parent, you want to make sure that you have the blue Canvas emblem. That's the app that you want to download from your Play Store. Now, from the PowerSchool app, okay, it will first ask you for a district code. The district code is XTGZ, and this will work for all three schools. If you don't have the code, you can simply just click on Find My School, type in Shenandoah, and then select Shenandoah School Corporation, and then you will be able to add your student from there. When you log into the PowerSchool app, these are some of the pages that you will see. The first thing you'll see are little course cards for your child's courses. You can click into them and see all of their assignments and their grades. The tab at the bottom also has a classes tab where you can select that and it will just list the classes that they have for that quarter. Over here you will see their grades. Then there's an assignment tab that you can click on. This will break down each individual assignment. It will show you their grade and if they're missing that assignment. Now, if you access PowerSchool from the website, when you log in, you're going to see a list of your students' classes. Here, you will see the name of their teacher. So you could click on that blue link and immediately email their teacher if you have any questions. When grades start getting inputted under course or quarter one, okay, you will see the grade here. You can click directly on that grade and it will break down each individual assignment for you as well. Now, as a parent in Canvas, you can actually observe your students' progress in each class. So if you want to observe Canvas as a parent, there are several steps that you need to follow. First thing you need to do is download that Canvas app on your phone, if you want to access it from your phone. Okay? Then you will find your school. Okay, once you find your school, it's not going to let you log in right away. You first have to sign up for a parent account. Okay? So to do that, you would go to the Shenandoah School Corporation website. You're going to click on Sites and select your child's school. So, for example, it could be Shenandoah Elementary School or Shenandoah Middle School. Once you select your school, you're going to click on Menu, and you're going to go down to Parent Resources. Then you're going to click on Canvas for Parents or log into Canvas as a parent, and it's going to take you to this screen. Up here in the right-hand corner, you need to click here for an account. Okay? Once you click there, it's going to take you to this screen. You're going to need to enter your information, your name, your email, create a password. Then it is going to ask you for a student pairing code. Now, your student can find that for you, or you can simply send me an email or call the school and we can get that for you. I'm going to show you how the student can find it. The student will need to log into their own Canvas account. Once they do that, they need to click on their profile picture. Then what they will have to do is click on Settings, and then over on the right-hand side it will say Pair with an Observer. Okay? It will then give that student a pairing code, and it is case sensitive. So you will need to write down that pairing code, okay? And then you will enter it down here on your registration form. Okay, that will pair you with your student. Now, once you do that, and you've created your account, you will log into your Canvas account. Typically, it kind of takes you right there, but if not, you can go to the school's website again, and then it will click on Canvas for Parents, and then you can log in right here. Now, once you've logged in, you are going to go to your profile picture. And then you need to select, there will be a blue link that says QR code for mobile login. QR code for mobile login. So once you click on that, it will display a QR code for you. On your phone, you will go to your Canvas app. And then right here, it says QR code. Click on that, and your phone will scan that QR code that pops up on the website. This will link that app to your student. Now, the benefits of observing your student in Canvas is you can keep track of their e-learning. You can make sure that they are progressing on their e-learning. You can look at everything in their class. The only thing that you cannot do as a parent is you cannot submit anything to the classes. Again, if you have any questions, please call the school. Now, while we are in this time of virtual learning, if there's any problems with your device, it won't turn on, it won't charge, something's broken, I'm getting an error message, please email techhelp@shenandoah.k12.in.us. And if we need to switch out your device, we will set up a time to get you a device. This goes for all year long. If you lose your charger, it is a $20 replacement fee. And every student has insurance on their device. However, the insurance does not cover if the device is lost or stolen. So we've had some kids who have lost their devices and had to purchase a new one. To purchase a new device, it's $250. But we've also had students find their device after they've purchased a new one. Okay, if that happens, your money will be refunded and you will have a device. Mr. Burge and Mr. Hahn are our technology guys. They are typically the ones that are answering the tech help emails. So again, if you have any technical problems with the devices, please email tech help. If you have questions about individual classes, please email your teachers.